Hello friends, today I'll show modeling of a simple mechanical component using SolidWorks. Actually, this is for the beginner's practice. This is exercise number 13. First of all, we have to draw that cross section. If we take that one from this side, and cross section should be drawn. After making the cross section, we have to be revolved or rotated by 360 degree. Okay, let's get started. Starting from parts. That we started from front plane, normal to draw the center line. This one should be vertical. Done. Now we have to see the drawing and start sketching. So initially, the inside we are having a hole of diameter 48 millimeter. Okay, we are drawing it right now. You can see this is actually symmetric along vertical axis also, but at the same time horizontal axis also. So we need not draw both the parts. You have to draw only one part, 1/4 of this one, then only we can make a mirror, then finally we can rotate. We have to make this part only. Okay, so we have to draw both the axes, horizontal and vertical axis, both. Another central line is needed. Let's make this one horizontal. Done. Starting from line, straight line. As inside we are having a hole, so we'll start from this little bit gap will be there. This is the sketch. Now we can provide smart dimension to that one. Let's provide smart dimension. It will be, this part will be 8 millimeter only. This one is going to later on. This part will be 24 minus 6, 18 millimeter. And this one diameter will be 48 millimeter. This one will be 72 millimeter. 72 millimeter. And the maximum one equal to 108 millimeter. Let's see other parts. This part will be equal to 8 millimeter. And the middle part will be very small. Middle part it will come down to 6 millimeter. This one will be 6 millimeter. Now here we have to provide one fillet or arc of radius 4 millimeter, and here chamfer is required. Chamfer we can make it after making it solid. Here one arc of radius 4 millimeter is required. We can make it right now. Four millimeter arc radius is made. So the distance from here to here is 24 millimeter. And then it is coming out down 8 millimeter. This total is 16. We have made half of that. Next one, we have to make a mirror of this one with respect to this x-axis, right? Then finally we'll revolve with respect to y-axis. Okay, let's make a mirror of that one. So mirror entities, select the object to be mirrored with respect to the line x-axis. So mirroring is done. Now this part we have to make it revolved with respect to the central axis. Okay, so exit from the sketch, select the sketch again, features, revolve with respect to central axis. Done. Now here in this case some kind of chamfer is required. You can see the drawing. Chamfer of 4 mm at an angle of 45 degrees required. So select that one. We need to provide chamfer of 4 mm at 45 degree angle. Chamfering is done. Let's see that one to be done at the down also. Chamfer it to be done in both sides. So select that side also. Chamfer 4 mm with an angle of 45 degree. Done. What else is remaining? You have to make some holes. You can see here some fillet is also provided. Whatever else is remaining, here some holes to be made. We can see total 6 numbers of holes to be made. The hole diameter is equal to 8 mm and PCD of the hole is equal to 108 mm. So what we'll do is we have to take the top plane again. We have to take the top plane normal to and start drawing a sketch, circle, let's put smart dimension to that one. Smart dimension to this one will be 88 mm. PCD is 88 mm. This one we can consider as construction line. Let's provide one center line. Now see the drawing again. We have to draw one hole of diameter 8 mm at this location. Circle. Diameter should be 8 mm, so smart dimension 8 mm. Select the sketch, features, extrude cut, and that will cut both sides through all both. You see the cut is ready. Now this hole to be made in circular pattern. Select circular pattern. Extruded cut is features already selected. Extrude cut with respect to central axis. This axis is equal and the number should be equal to 6. It is done. So the model is ready. We can make the axis hidden again. Everything is done. Okay, our model is complete. Now we can make a color of this one a little bit. Then provide metallic color. Appearance to metals. Let's provide the metallic color. This one as copper. Polished copper we are providing. This is the object. Now for better appearance, we can make the background little bit white, plain white. This is our model. Okay, this is very simple mechanical model known as flange. this is all about today's exercise.